Hi, my name's Rachel and welcome to learning about my grey water solar pump design here in sunny Palmerston in the Northern Territory. The main components of this design are the washing machine, a long outlet hose, a 240 litre wheelie bin, the tap, a hose fitting, 12 volt pressure pump, battery, a couple of solar panels and the hose and sprinkler out there. So here at the solar panel end of the design, the solar panels are harnessing solar energy from the sunlight shining onto them. There is a little diagram, figure 9 in the report, that details exactly what's going on in here. But basically when light particles called photons reach a certain layer in the panel, it reacts and electrons are sent into the electrical circuit and captured as electric current or electricity, and this goes through the wiring towards the battery for storage. Each panel produces 0.38 amps per hour. That was labelled on the back. And so therefore, it's very hot, therefore 0.76 amps from both if the conditions are right, like this sunny day. This little grasshopper, a toy solar grasshopper, will demonstrate how quickly the process of solar energy changing into electric or electricity, how quickly this process is. If I block the light, it stops and goes again. So this solar energy feeds into whatever other device is connected in the circuit, such as this battery, which is being charged by the solar panels through the wiring. Then I can connect other devices to the battery for power. See, we've got a load of washing, the grey water emptying into the bin right now. I'll just show you how the rest of this works. We've got the negative clip onto the negative terminal, turn the tap on so the pump doesn't run dry, positive clip to the positive terminal, and away we go. Out here our hose is running at about 12.5 litres per minute. And we can attach the sprinkler to that and get about 33 square metres of coverage on the lawn. Now for when it's the wet season and there's not much cloud around, we can swap the pump and battery and solar panel over to just gravity fed. This is still effective, but it only runs at about 3 litres a minute, 3.5 litres a minute, but we'll have a look at that now. Turn the tap off, unclip the hose pump, a little bit of dribble, clip that, hose on. There's a pretty full bin of water, about 2 loads of washing in there, but a bit more pressure. But we can see here, there. So you can see how efficient the photovoltaic solar panels are in delivering energy and power to the pump in order to water the lawn, much better than the gravity-fed system, although pros and cons for each system in their own right, of course. But looking at the mathematics between the pump and the household tap, there's a big difference. The tap has 20 litres per minute of flow rate, and the pump has about 12.5 litres per minute. But in reality, you can't tell the difference. They both do the same job, and so I'm just glad to be able to reuse the grey water resource through a renewable energy. I just wish I could say the same for battery technology. That's a further improvement. Might take a few years, we'll see. Anyway, thank you for listening and watching my presentation. and goodbye.